What should I do today? Aha, I should go to the inside world. Gotta get out of this window. There, I'm in bed in the inside world. Oh my god, what are you doing here? Uh-oh, that's not good. Run! What? Oh my goodness! I will catch you alive! Uh-oh, gotta run. Phew, that was close. Well, the inside is very dangerous. But what can I do now? Aha! Eating steak is my favorite.